welcome back to my channel. So today, because it's literally so grey outside, I thought I was gonna bake some brownies. I literally have the biggest sweet tooth during this quarantine and I thought, why not bake some brownies? I made them like last week and I already want more, so without further ado, let's get into making these super gooey brownies. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to melt the chocolate. So I need 100 grams of chocolate. I'll leave the recipe down below. I went to Home Bargains the other day and these were like 50p and this chocolate's so good for baking. So if you've got Home Bargains near you, go get them. Just have to break this all. What has everyone been doing? I'm literally done now. I'm so bored. Like, this needs to end. I really hope this next announcement something's going to lift because I am miserable. I don't want to, especially, I'm quite happy it's like grey outside now, but I'm just done. I've cleared out my room about 5 times, so what else can you do? So it says you need to melt the chocolate and the butter, so you need to measure the butter out. We need 150 grams of unsalted butter. Does anyone remember when butter used to have that like measuring guide on it? I don't know if they still do, but I literally have not seen it at all anymore. So 150 grams. About half. Sorry, can't see. 130. 143, oh my god, come on. 151, that will do. Right, I'm going to just put that in the bowl and slice these to smaller chunks so it melts. And I'm just going to melt this on the oven, on the hob, instead of the microwave, because I really don't like melting chocolate in the microwave. I once blew out my microwave from doing it, because I literally just left it on for like 4 minutes. This is when I was really little. Don't know why my mum still lets me cook, but I'm just going to melt this on the oven. So all that I'm literally doing is making like a bain-marie, so putting like not much water at all. Literally, I don't even see that, but not much at all. Boiling it and then just putting this on top. Be careful because it's really steamy. And then let it simmer and then it melts and just stir it. Right, so whilst that is melting, the next step is to beat the eggs, sugar and vanilla extract in a mixing bowl. So I'm going to use my KitchenAid. You can use any like whisk. I literally love baking so much. This is what I asked for my 18th. So I'm just going to put 2 eggs in there. And literally this is my favourite thing in the world. I don't know why, I love this so much, it's so cringe. When I was younger, I used to want to be a baker, I used to want to have my own cake shop. I love baking so much. I like decorating cakes, but now I just don't have the patience at all. I'm so slow today. Sugar, so you can measure the sugar out. I'll do that in this bowl. Need 300 grams, jeez. After this quarantine, I'm literally going to put on so much weight. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. This can't be right. Oh my god, just enough. 3 grams off. And I'm just going to put that in the bowl as well. And is there anything else? And the vanilla extract, I'm just going to eyeball this. This is such nice vanilla extract. That should be enough. And then I'm just going to beat that. So I've just whisked that. Oh my god, it looks like that. I hope you can see that. Really thick but runny. Right, next I need to stir my chocolate. Sorry, these angles are awful, but it's just melting and I'm just going to stir that. Oh, it looks so nice. I want some melted chocolate and strawberries. Completely forgot to say, preheat your oven to 180. I've only just done mine, so hopefully it'll be heated up in time. Next, we've got to measure the flour out and the baking and the chocolate powder. Now, I think for brownies you are meant to use plain flour and baking powder together. However, they literally haven't got any flour anywhere. Like, this is all I've got in my cupboards. Like, why are people bulk buying flour now? I suppose everyone's just wanting to bake, aren't they? So 125 grams of this. And then it says 15 grams of cocoa powder. Does anyone actually drink this, like in their hot chocolates, like Bourneville? I reckon my friend does, because she loves Bourneville chocolate. But anyone else? Let me know down below if you actually like that in hot chocolate, because I think that would be actually vile. Then I'm just gonna get a spoon and mix that rice. I just love baking though. I found this my new favourite ice cream, which I'm gonna have with these brownies, and it's the Jude's vegan chocolate brownie ice cream. Oh my god, I'm not vegan, obviously I'm eating egg and butter, but I don't really like milk, so it's literally unreal. Like, I gave it to all my family because they're like, why have you bought vegan ice cream? How selfish, like, we don't want your vegan ice cream. And I gave it to them, they were like, that is so good. So I'm literally just mixing or throwing it all over the sides. And then it says to put the chocolate in and then add this. So the chocolate's almost melted, so I'm just going to let that cool down and then add it to this. So the chocolate has melted. I don't know if you can see that. The butter, even if you have like little bits of butter in it, it's fine because they'll just melt with the heat. Now, whilst I'm waiting for that to cool down a bit, I'm going to cut out some grease paper for my sheet tray, whatever it's called. I hate these things so much. So I'm just going to cut it to size. I only do the bottom bit because I think that's all that matters anyway. And this is literally, I think these are called brownie dishes, like just square dishes, so that's all I'm using. I'm not very technical with, I don't know how big this is, but it's just like a brownie size. And then I'm just going to grease the edges of the tray. Right, there is that done. That's actually vile, butter under my nail. Right, so now I think the chocolate's cooled down a little bit. I've got stuff everywhere. This is the problem when I bake. So now I'm going to pour this chocolate into here. This is really hot. I need my mum. Jokes. Ah, shit. It's hot. Right, so I'm just going to pour it in. This is quite difficult. And then just scrape out all of that chocolate loveliness. Like so. And put that. I'm going to put it in the sink because it's already scaring me that it's going to break. And I'm just going to stir this with my spatula. Look at that. Look. It's like marble. So then it says to sieve the flour in, so what I'm going to do, I don't know where to put this, I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to use this attachment, I don't actually know what this is called, so that attachment. You can just, instead of whisking this stage, just like stir it, and then it says gradually, so add a bit. going to be doing 3 lots. I've just done half of it. That's nice. And I'm just going to add the rest in. I think that is well and truly. I honestly don't know why I just did that. I'm actually done. Oh my god, I need to clean up. Wait. That has literally gone everywhere. Oh my god, I really don't. I normally do that with the whisk as I pick it up, so it drops off. That's literally gone. Oh my god, it's gone everywhere. Right, I'm gonna have to clean all this up later. I can't believe that. Right, I'm gonna grab my spatula again and do it manually this time. And take that all off and put that in there. Then take out the mixing bowl. Look, it looks so good. I used to never make brownies because I thought they required so much effort. Because you know, like, have to melt the chocolate and all that, but this is so worth it. Right, that is actually the biggest fail that I've probably ever seen whilst anyone bakes. So I'm just going to pour it into here now. And get all of it out. This is so gooey. Oh my god. These are some really nice angles here, aren't they? Oh my god, I still actually can't believe that just happened. I'm so, if my fucking mum was here, she would be fuming. Mega fuming. Right, I think that's all the chocolate. I'm just going to scrape it off the spoon. I literally want to eat this. I will eat it in a minute. It's so good. It's so sweet because of all that sugar.
I'm just going to push it into each corner, like so.
I eat that. This needs to go in the wash, it's disgusting. What I tend to do is just bang it to get all the air out. And I'm going to put this in the oven now for 25 minutes, I think it is. 25 minutes, yeah. So 25 minutes, this will be clean and this will be cooked. So the timer has just gone off the brownies. They literally smell insane. I'm so excited to eat these. I'm probably going to eat one like immediately because a gooey brownie with vegan ice cream come through. So I'm just going to get them out the oven now. I've got a cooling rack just so they cool down a bit quicker and I can cut them and enjoy them. They're looking good. This is what they look like. So pale. Just going to turn that off and put them on the cooling rack in a bit when they cool down, and then I'll show you the end product. So these are the brownies. I'm just going to get a knife and run it around the edge. I'm just going to flip them out. God, this is hard. So difficult. Put that there, and then I'm just going to flip it again onto the cooling rack. Get that off. Like so. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to cut them into little, I'm going to cut them into 12, I think, possibly. Oh my god, they're cracking, they look so good. And then I'm just going to put them on a plate or something in a nice stack. And that is the finished brownie. They literally have saved one for me and I'm going to use it now. Look at this gooiness. Can you see? Anyway, this is the finished brownie. They are so good. And these literally won't last a day in my household, let alone 2 hours. So I literally have to hide them from my family. So I know I can eat them later. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and leave any suggestions down below. Go check out my Instagram. It will be somewhere on the screen, as well as my Depop. Anyway, thank you for watching and bye bye.